everybody, welcome back. This is Luke Stanke from Data Coach. Be sure to subscribe to this channel or check us out on Data Coach. In this video, we are going to look at the line chart. Yes, the humble line chart. And I've got some tips along the way to make this a little bit better, but this should be a pretty quick one. So I'm going to connect to Tableau, and I'm using Tableau Superstore data from 2020.4. So here we go. I'm going to rebuild this line chart. The line chart's one of the easiest to build in Tableau, but what I wanted to highlight in this is being able to highlight dots for each separate year in my data. So how do I do it? Well, I'm just going to create a new sheet. I'm going to start by going to order date. I'm going to use that to bring it out on date, place it out on columns, and change my date type to a month, year, date value. So there we go. I'm just now going to go find sales because that's my measure I'm going to use. I'm going to place that out on my view one time. I'm going to take order date again, and I'm going to place that out on detail, and it'll separate out individual year. By default, Tableau has brought year of order date on our view. I'm going to go back and find sales. I'm going to make, so we got our line charts, right? And I could technically put color on that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to sort of clean things up here, and I'm going to make those dots appear on my view. So let's start by taking the marks card here and making those lines much more narrow and changing the color to be gray. Maybe we'll make it a little bit darker than that. Our next step is to take sales, bring that back out on rows, and on the second marks card, so you can either click on it or you can click the value to the measure to the right here on rows, and it will bring you to that marks card. And we're going to change that mark type to circle. And our values are really, really small because we size them down. So on the circle marks card, let's resize those up. Not too big, something like this first tick will work. And we're just taking year of order here and moving that on to color. While we're doing that, just click on color and change your border from automatic to whatever the background color is, in this case, white. One of the last steps we'll do is bring these two chart types together. So let's right click on the sum of sales to the right, choose dual axis, and then on the axes right click and synchronize those axes. We're basically done. The last step is to format. You'll have extra row and column dividers. Clean those up, right click format, go to the borders, remove the column border, and remove the row divider as well. Last little step, hide, really lots of steps frankly to clean this up, but let's get rid of the header. And see this axis with the dashed line? Well, that's the zero line. I'm going to get rid of the zero line, and I'm going to change and show an axis ruler, a really dark axis ruler with some ticks to go with it. That's generally how I put them together. It really makes it pop a little bit more than what you would normally see. And then lastly, for whatever reason, my colors are just a little bit off. I'm just going to reassign my palette to the original set of colors. And there you have it. That is the line chart where we are highlighting individual dots on our view. If you did enjoy this video, this introductory video, I'm thinking on a scale 1 to 10, this is probably a 2 in terms of difficulty in Tableau. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like it. We definitely appreciate it, and be sure to subscribe. Anyway, we'll catch you on the other side in the next video.